Hey, good morning. Yeah, we're moving slow over here, but we're awake. Yeah. Ken slept in, I slept in, we all slept in. Let's see here. I think Barb said she was coming, then I think Barb said she wasn't coming. So, who knows? Only the shadow knows. All right. As you can see, Lily is ready to exercise. She wants to do the floor work first, but we're not doing that first. All right, let's get moving. Lily, you gotta move, babes, girl. Yeah, ow. She misses Teresa. Doesn't she, dear?
Very much.
She's walking around here like she's depressed. Let's go. Reach across. Spread. March right here. Front and back right. She ain't moving, look at her. Toe heel walk. It's Lily. Lily doesn't want to move. There she goes. Double shoulder, good morning. Other way. Singles. Heel digs, elbow up. Tap it out, open. Tap it back. 4 and 3, 2. Right foot back, hold it, turn it. Other way. Switch, turn it. Other way. And march. Reach across. Four more. Spread, palm it. March. Double sweep left. Right. Singles. Front and back left. Toe heel walk. 4 more. Double shoulder left, right, singles, heel digs. Four more. Tap this right toe. Side to side. Other side tap. I think Sue Marks just got on. Hey, Sue Marks. Side to side. March it here. All right, I think we're moving right off the bat. Let me look here real quick. Yeah, we're moving right off the bat. It's going to be a short one today, Sue. Amy, I know you won't be here the whole time. That's fine. All right, so we're going to start. No weights. You okay here?
Stretching.
You stiff?
I always stretch the calves.
Oh, I'm a little stiff. All right, running man. Hitchhiker 4. 2 left, 2 right, 4 left. Single kicks, patch, punch. 5 right, left. Left knee repeater. boxer march. So Judy from Arizona, cowboy kicks, I know it's later for you. Thursday, I'm doing your song. Hitchhiker 2. I meant to do it this morning, but then I forgot to put it on. Rock. Swim it up. Backstroke. Running man. Hitchhiker. 4, 2 right, 2 left, 4 right, 4. Single kick, 6. Slide left, right. Right knee repeater. Boxer march from front. Cowboy kicks right, left. 4, 3. Hitchhiker, 2 right, 2 left. Rock right, right here. Swim up. Backstroke. Running man. All right, so grab your light weights, 1s or 2s, right here. All right. Weights here, right knee, left knee. Right here, squats. Down and up, push into your glutes. Think about them working. Remember, connect the brain to your glutes. Now reach down. Now cross. To the top. Little pulse right here. Walk it up. Hold the weights here. Travel right curl top. 4 left. Oh, that's all right. Glad you're here. Right knee, left knee. Vine right, left. Left knee repeater here. Rock right, bicep curl, turn front. 2 more. Now left foot shuffle up. Travel left 4, 4 right. Cowboy kicks back. 4 more, 4. Left knee, arms up here. Right. Eight more. A little pulse here. Reach down. Now across. Tighten those glutes. To the top. Little pulse here. here, walk. Travel left curl top. Right. Left knee right. Four more. Find left right. Right knee repeater. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Rocket left. Turn front. Bicep. Shuffle right foot up. Left foot. 4, 3. Travel right. Curl top. 4. 4 left. Cowboy kicks. Right. Left. Weights down, grab your heavier weights. Heavier weights. All right, I want to work on those glutes. So go ahead and put your weights up here. We need to wake them up. Oh, I can't put my weights there. I have sunburn. It still hurts.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it hurts more today than it did yesterday. Okay, so bend here at the waist. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now right here, hammer curls right here. Work that down as well as the up. Eight more right here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now right here, push up. Eight more right here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Stay up there. 1. Right here. Push them together. Down behind the head. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now right here, lunge right, bring that right knee up. And 1. Now, where your feet are hip width, left. And 1. Palms up. Pull into the back. more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Now, weights up on your shoulders or on your back right here. Think about the glutes, push into them. Use your glutes. 6, push into them. 5, 4, put your head in your butt. 3, only time you're allowed to do that. 2, 1. So we're gonna do this backwards. We're gonna start up here, down behind the head first. All right here, push it up. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now down here, hammer curls right here. It's a little loud. Facebook will knock me off. Five, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heels up right here, heels up. Mixing it up a little bit today. 6, 7. Everything okay?
Yeah.
Well. Now right here, we're gonna pull in, palms up. Use the back. 4, connect to the back. 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you're gonna lunge, knee up, push into that left glute, push into it. One more. All right, right here, right side. Push into it. Eight, use the glute. 7, make it work. 6, 5, I'm driving into that heel. Right here. 4, into the heel. 2, and 1. All right, right here, adding in little lifts. Just think about lifting your elbows a little. Okay, one of my pet peeves, posture, because I struggle with that. Push those weights together. Push them together. Shoulders down and back. Pull up here. Into your back. Use those trapezes. That's a triangular muscle in your back. Hold your neck up. Last one. Now lunge into the right. Bring your knee up. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now switch sides. Oh, this is not where I wanted. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. 2, 3, 4, 6. Push into that heel. 7. I'm driving into it. 8. Drive into it. Use the glute. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. Last one, right here. All right, right here. Palms forward, elbows lift. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now push those weights together. Zip up your jacket. So zip it up so you stop here. Because you don't zip way up here, do you? Well, maybe if your jacket's your mask, you do, huh? But we're stopping here. Traditional jackets. Use that posture muscle. 6. Try to keep those arms level. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Waist down. Grab your mats. We're going to go to the floor. Take your weights with you. Weights with you. I can't believe how much that works. Although she thinks she's supposed to come over. Grab a drink. Woo! No Jill today, huh? What happened to you, Jill? Missing you. She must be enjoying that nice weather up there. All right, here we go. We're going to go down into a plank first. One quick plank. All the way down. Tuck those toes under. We're going to inhale. Exhale, push yourself up right here. Hold it. Hold that plank. Pull that navel in. Think about your back working, your chest, your abdomen, everything working, your torso, your glutes. Lock into those glutes. Make them work. So you got about 10 seconds left. Keep breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Keep breathing. Exhale, lower. All right, so come around your back first. All the way around. Right here, grab these weights. If you want to use them, we're going to put those weights head to head, cross those ankles, take it over the top. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now put those weights down. I'm going to put my feet flat on my mat right here. Put my right foot on my left thigh right here. Hands down to the side. I'm going to lift those glutes up. Hold it up. I'm going to go up and down. 1. So my glute should really be working here. Connect to your glute. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now put that foot down. Put that left foot on that right thigh. Make sure it's there. Now down and up. Connect to your glute. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then put that foot down. Lower the glutes down. It's going to crunch right here. Crunch. Hips to the ribs. 8 more right here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now reach up to that right foot. Left hand to the right foot hand to the left foot. So kind of reaching across, but not completely. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 1. Now I'm going to come back, feet flat, hands down to the side. I'm going to put my left foot up on my right thigh. I'm going to lift that glute up again. Lift it up, work the glute. Eight more right here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now put that foot back down and bring your right foot up. Put on that left thigh. Now up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now down. Now you're going to bring your hands back here. I'm going to bring feet out. I'm going to crunch, bring my knees into the chest, hips to the ribs. Hips to the ribs. Eight more right here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now feet down, crunch center right here. Now I'm bringing my hips to my ribs. Squeeze. Squeeze here. Now if you're pulling on your head, pulling, that's not good. You really want to focus here. Hips to the ribs. Squeeze it right here. Squeeze. Four, three, two, one. Now pick up your weights, cross those ankles. Weights head to head, over the top, right here. Eight more, right here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Put those weights down. Feet are flat. Right foot on that left thigh. Lift it up. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now put that foot down, switch. Left foot up, lift. Four, 3, 2, 1. Now I gotta put that foot back down. All right, we're gonna crunch right here. Hips to the ribs. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now we're gonna reach up, right hand to the left foot. Eight, 7, 6, navel in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands under those hips, legs up. Well, I'm moving my body. Legs up. Lower those feet towards the floor. Navel in. Eight more right here. You're almost done down here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Feet down. You're gonna put that left leg on that right thigh. Last set of this. Hands down, lift. Squeeze that glute. Squeeze it. So I'm squeezing the right glute. Left foot up, right glute. Now this side's working out, the rotation. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you don't want to lift real high, because when you lift real high, you engage that lower back. That's not what you're working. You want to work that glute. Now down and up. 1. Squeeze the glute. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now put that foot back down. Roll it down, grab those weights. Cross your ankles. Take it over the top. 7, 8, 8 more right here. 8, put them down. Roll to your side. We're gonna come on up to our feet. Short time down here today. Mats, you're done with those mats. Use your glutes when you get up. Think about them. Make those glutes work. All right. Heavy weights, heavy weights. Get a drink. Have an awesome day, Amy. All right, we're gonna finish this out. All right, heavy weights. One set left, that's it. So we'll start from the beginning. Weights here or on your back. But you want to use the glutes, so push into those glutes, push into them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more right here. 8, 7, 6, hi puppy, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one right there. All right, right here, hammers. So work that gravity, use the gravity. 4, don't let the gravity take you. 2 more, 2, 1. Now right here, push it up. Six, stay up there on 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, all the way up. Hold it up there, now down behind the head. Four, 3, 2, 1. Weights down right here. Shoulders down and back. Gonna lunge into the right. Push into the right glute. Bring that knee up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Think about your glute. 7. Drive up through your heel. 8. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now weights here, palms in, palms facing, lift, elbows up. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now left. Into that left foot. Use the glute. Four, 3, 2, and 1. All right, right here, push those weights together. Zip it up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heels up right here. Lift those heels. Bend the knees. Squeeze those calves. 8, 7. Hey, Sue Jones. 5.
The other Sue Jones?
What?
The other Sue Jones?
Yeah. Not this Sue Jones. I'm not talking to myself. I wouldn't talk out loud to myself. Yes, I would. All right, I might even call myself out by my name. Palms up, pull back. Sue Jones and Judy from Arizona. 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoop! Put those weights down. We're gonna cool down. You made it. You made it through another workout. It's you and me and Ken, Sue. All right, I went far away. That was an accident. Okay, here we go. March. Quick cool down today. Quick, 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 quick. Spread. Hi, puppy. Puppy. March it in. Front and back right. So there's pups, there's babies. You want a puppy. So he'll walk. If you live near me, Ken and I are going, we'd pick it up for you, but we can't. 4, 3, we are driving up. Double shoulder. Singles. If you have a camper and you want to lend it to me, no, I don't want to borrow it. Tap this left toe. Yeah, because if I wrecked it, then I'd have to pay for it. Side to side. Now other side tap. Side to side. I'm kind of distracted here. I don't know why. March it wide. Left elbow. There's a cute face looking at me. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now palm in spread. March it in. Front and back left. Toe heel. Walk right here. Helen, you're confusing me. Double shoulder. Other side. Singles. She didn't get the dog park this morning. Like I said, we all slept in. Heel digs. We must have needed it. Toes out. You must have been in a sleep cycle, and so your body didn't wake up, you know. That was good, though. You're better that way. Toes back. What?
I know.
Four more. 4, 3, 2. Right foot back. Turn it. So Ken is going to get a job at a museum as a curator.
Right.
Ha ha. No, I'm kidding. If you saw my post about artifact, then you'll know what I mean. Take it wide, elbow up. 4 more. 4, 3, 2. Right foot back. She pushes this toy into my leg. And she's like, Mom, play with me. Play with me, Mom. Now take it back. Reach it out. All the way up. Right hand up, lift. Dip, open. And bring it front. Inhale. Exhale. Left leg back. Toes front. Both toes. Front. Left arm across. All the way back. So I got 3 more classes. So hurry up on out here, Sue Marks. All the way up, left hand up. Dip open. Inhale, exhale here. Shoulders up, down, and back. Right, left toe up, left hand down. Left foot down, reach up into the mid-back. Chin off that chest. Now open, reach out. Open. Right toe up, right hand down. Right foot down, reach up into the mid-back. And inhale right here. Exhale down. Shoulders up, down, and back. Hand down and back, right here. Do this again. Now lift that hand up in the back, right here. Ooh, that feels good. That's a good stretch. What do you want? Where's your toy? Where's your toy go? Where's your ducky? Go find your ducky. Other hand down and back. Where's your chicken? No, that's your turtle. That's your turtle. Put that the right hand up into the mid-back, so I'm turning it up like this. Where's your piggy? Go get your piggy. Bella, I see your piggy. I see that piggy. Go get your pig. See the pig. Get the pig. Inhale. Exhale down. Look right. No pig over there. Look left. Pig is over there. I see that pig. Look front. She disappeared. All right. Have a great day. Thanks for joining me, Sue. See you soon.